Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Paymob to Odoo. If you're using Odoo for your online store, website, or customer payments, connecting a payment gateway like Paymob makes it easier for your customers to pay directly through your checkout page. We'll go through the full setup inside Odoo, so you can install the Paymob integration and configure it correctly for payments. This process is straightforward, but it's important to enter each setting carefully, especially the payment credentials, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. Before starting, make sure you have access to your Odoo admin dashboard and your Paymob account details because you'll need both during the setup. To begin, go to your Odoo homepage. Once you're on the main dashboard, click on Apps. This is where you can search for and install additional modules that extend Odoo's functionality. In Odoo, apps are used to add new features, so installing the correct Paymob module is the first step before you can activate it as a payment provider. In the App section, type Paymob into the search bar and press Enter. Odoo will display the available results related to Paymob. When you find the correct Paymob app, click Install. Give it a moment to complete the installation. Depending on your system's speed and internet connection, this may take a few seconds. If you see more than one result, make sure you choose the one that matches your Odoo version and payment setup, because using the wrong module can cause configuration issues later. After the app is installed, open the website module, then click on Configuration. Inside the configuration area, select Payment Providers. This section is where Odoo manages all of the payment gateways connected to your site or store. From here, you can control which payment methods are available to customers during checkout, such as cards, wallets, or other supported payment options. From the list of providers, click on Paymob. This opens the Paymob configuration page, where you'll activate and complete the connection. This is the main area where Odoo and Paymob are linked together, so take your time while filling in the fields. First, click on Enabled so the provider becomes active in Odoo. If this is not enabled, customers won't be able to use it during checkout. Enabling the provider tells Odoo that Paymob should appear as an available payment method on your website or store. Next, add the account country. Make sure you choose the correct country associated with your Paymob account, since this can affect how the gateway behaves and which settings are available. This is important because payment rules, supported currencies, and available payment methods may depend on the country connected to your Paymob account. Now, enter your HMAC key, then your API key, followed by your secret key, and finally, your public key. These values should come directly from your Paymob account settings or developer dashboard. Each key has a specific purpose in the connection, so don't mix them up. The API key helps Odoo communicate with Paymob, while the other keys help verify and secure the payment process. Be careful not to include extra spaces when pasting them in, and make sure each key goes into the correct field. For security reasons, never share these credentials publicly or include them in documentation or recordings. If you're recording a tutorial, training video, or client walkthrough, it's always better to blur or hide these keys on screen. Once all the details are filled in, click Save. This stores the configuration and completes the Paymob connection inside Odoo. Saving is important because Odoo will not apply the settings until the configuration has been stored successfully. At this point, your Paymob payment provider should be connected and ready for use. If you want to be extra safe, it's a good idea to review the saved settings and confirm everything was entered correctly before processing live transactions. You can also run a small test transaction first, if your setup allows it, to make sure the payment flow works smoothly from checkout to confirmation. And that's it. That's how to connect Paymob to Odoo. Once the setup is complete, your customers can use Paymob during checkout, and you can manage your payment flow directly through your Odoo system.